Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna try to do this real quick because Kai just went to sleep. But I'm just gonna do like a quick little natural, neutral eyeshadow look. I guess I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but whatever. Trial and error. So, I just put some Vaseline on my face because, girl, you don't want that face to be dry. And I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows out. I haven't done like arched or plucked or anything like that. I'm just gonna do this real quick because you can go a long way if you just do your eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows a little bit. Oop. And y'all, to all the people that has bought my lashes, like, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate the support. Cause I'm not even gonna lie, like, I didn't expect, I did not expect for it to be, I just didn't expect for it to start off as good as it has started off. I'm gonna list the link to my lashes below. I'm gonna be putting on some of my lashes today so you guys can see it. If you haven't seen my video on how to apply lashes, I'll link that below so that you guys can see it and just see how to do the whole lash thing. Because I know a lot of people, like, they like, I want to wear lashes but I don't know how to put them on, you know. And that was me before. Like, so I just kind of taught myself how to do it with the help of my friend. So I'm just basing my eye with concealer, and then I'm gonna put some translucent powder over it. And y'all, these nails, look at them. I don't know if y'all can see them, but girl, they're pressed on. Guess where I got them from? Guess. The dollar store. The dollar store. I got these from the dollar store. It look a little dark in here. I don't know what to do. But I got them from the dollar store, y'all. And I am so like, girl, I'm happy about it. Alright, so now let me get my translucent powder. And all that right there, like, I'm a girl, I'm gonna blend it out in a minute. No, but for real, I'm gonna blend it out in a minute. So this is a translucent powder I'm using. It's Laura Mercier. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna get a little bit, dab it on a little brush like this. And I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. Girl, I am so unprepared. So unprepared. Alright, so I found my little mirror. I need to buy another one, no lie. Because this mirror helps me out a lot when doing my makeup. I'm just going to throw that little translucent powder on there like that. And now the palette that I'm going to use today, and this is just going to set like that concealer. So I'm going to use Juvia's Place palette today. And this is the Nubian palette. So these are all the colors. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this color, this dark brown. And I'm going to kind of put it on my outer lid and into my crease. So I'm just going to like pack it on like this. And then blend it a little bit. Ooh, it packed on nicely. And y'all, I've been having this palette for a minute now. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's really good. Let me blend that right there because it's just like that. And I got a hooded lid, so that's why I try to put the my crease color like a little higher, like so. So I'm just gonna do the other eye. I need to stop talking for this boy. Wake up, pop his head up. Alright, so I'm gonna take this color next, and I'm going to go like right here, like on the edge of this dark brown, just like that. Just like that. You see how it gives you, it already gives you that blended look. So I'm gonna take my blending brush and just lightly blend that together. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my concealer, put it on the back of my hand, like this. Dab my angle brush in it, like that. And then I'm gonna look down and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. I'm gonna do kind of like a cut crease. And I did go a little bit above my crease. And if you don't know what a hooded lid, it's like, you see how that right there? That's hooded. So, alright, so I'm gonna add some more translucent powder on top of this concealer. Just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with this color. Add it to the lid slash the crease. So I don't have all the correct brushes, so don't be in the comments trying to be like, girl, you using the wrong brush. I know I don't have the right brushes, but you do what you work with what you got. That's just what you do, and that's what I'm doing. I'm working with what I got. So what I'm gonna do is go back in with that dark brown that I first. Well, I guess it's just a dark. It's a dark brown. It's not dark brown. It's just dark brown. And I'm just going to put it right here, just to kind of clean it up a little bit. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to get the blending brush and just blend everything together. Look, I'm new at eyeshadow. I'm new at doing this, so I'm just kind of showing y'all what I be doing. Like, I ain't no makeup artist, but like, I can do a little makeup for myself. So if this help y'all, girl, then it do. I just be trying to, you know. So I'm just gonna blend it out some more, just to. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead, throw on my foundation, and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys how I add my lashes. This ain't giving me the. I'm gonna come back to show you guys how I add my lashes or whatever. So yeah. Alright, so next I'm going to add my top liner. Girl, just so you know. And I noticed that, like, I should have been standing back the whole time so you guys can see it. But, and this is like translucent powder everywhere on my face. So I'm gonna step back and do this so you guys can see it. I'll just have to zoom in when I'm editing it. When I edit it, I said editing it. When I'm editing it. You guys go ahead and watch my video on eyelashes. I go in detail on how to apply eyelashes, how to make them stick and stay, and all that, girl. I explain why I use top liner when doing my lashes and all that, girl. I explain all that. So this right here, I just got it all right there, just looking crazy. It's looking crazy. Looking crazy. I don't know why I got so much energy today, y'all. And another thing, the eyelashes that I'm wearing, the name of them are Sassy. This is how they look. I sell these lashes. They come in a pack of 5. I'll put a picture somewhere right here so y'all can see it. But you can order these. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think. If you want to know how I did all this, I will list the video below. So to show you guys how I did that, like I said, I'm going to list the link to these lashes so y'all can purchase them. I'm also going to list the other styles. This style is sassy. It's more of like a in-between. As y'all can see, they're really, really cute. If you don't want to go too bold, but you don't want to go like no lashes, you might like these. So I'm going to post that below. I'm also going to post a video to how you apply lashes properly to get them to fit your eyes comfortably and stuff like that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Slade by Tamia. And I will talk to y'all later. Peace.